Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to read the EXIF metadata of a actual image file when the image was taken, what camera took the image. You can basically read all this information using a Python script. So I have this image available right here. You can see it's a 2.jpg file here. So so if I want to get some information regarding this image, I will run this Python script. You will see it will actually read all the EXIF metadata of this image. It will show you the time of this image, which is 200 1 year. You will see the time period. It will show you which camera taken this image, camera model as well. So all this information, it will be captured. So for this we just need to use a third-party Python package here, which is, you just need to say pip install exif read. This is the package here, exif read. So simply install this. I've already installed it. So now to actually do this, it's very easy. So now first of all, you actually require this package. So we simply require it by the import statement exif read, and then we actually open the image by using the open function. So we simply say 2.jpg, and we just need to read this in the binary mode. So we'll say and as image underscore file. So we are reading this image here. You can see we are opening this image, and then we will use this package exif read, and it actually contains this function, which is process underscore file. So here we can actually pass inside this function process file, we can pass this image, which is this image underscore file. So after passing this, we actually get all this information inside this tags. So we can display this tags right here by simply looping through all the tags here, tags dot keys, and we can actually print out everything from this. So we are basically printing all this metadata information. So if I run this Python script now, you will see it will print out everything. You can see all this information, which is sequence number, image size. So it will actually image, which is Canon, digital, image orientation, horizontal, resolution, date of the image, centered, compression. All this metadata is printed out. You will see EXIF data. So in this way you can print out everything, and if you want to specifically print out some kind of information, then you can actually specifically target information. If you only need certain kind of information, then you can add some if condition right here. So we only need the date time, we only need the camera which taken this image, and we only need the camera model. So if you run this now, it will only extract the useful information, which will be the date of this image, the camera, and the camera model. So in this way guys, you can read this EXIF data metadata of any image using this package EXIF read in Python. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.